Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at Polygon Matic. If you guys want to stay up to date with Polygon, make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video before we get started. So Polygon right now is at 97 cents, a 4.69% decrease in the last 24 hours. If we take a look at the last week, we do see a 12.45% decrease. In the last month, a 27.68% decrease. So Polygon is definitely a coin we've talked about a lot on the channel before because we see massive potential in the long-term future of Polygon, obviously being that solution for Ethereum, being a layer 2 sidechain. And we are going to see a scaling solution like this do very, very well in the upcoming months ahead, in my opinion. However, we do have to get out of this manipulation FUD accumulation stage. So moving forward, I do want to talk a little bit about what's been taking place with Polygon. A lot of new integrations, a lot of new partnerships, and that's the biggest thing to mention with Polygon is continually having big progress and big integrations taking place every single day. So we'll talk a little bit more about the price predictions and where we think Polygon's going to be going at the end of the video, but let's get jumping straight into some of these integrations. So the first one, we have Duisteo. The next generation multi-asset DeFi protocol is bringing synthetic asset trading solutions to Polygon. Polygon users can now get unlimited access to 500 global stocks with DS Finance. So definitely a big deal right there. I think continuing to see the opportunities and really the projects that are coming out with ideas that involve Polygon is definitely a great thing. So we have GYSR.io is launching on Polygon as well. So GYSR is all set to bring highly secure and configurable liquidity mining to Polygon. Just like I said, another integration, another partnership. We're not going to read the extra tweets on each and every integration or partnership just because there are so many and I want to cover them all. But jumping into another one, this one's Community Gaming is scaling its esports tournaments with Polygon. With Polygon, and event organizers can create tournaments and accept payments with minimal transaction costs. So another very cool concept. I think this is definitely going to continue to be very popular in the gaming world. We also have XDeFi Wallet is integrating with Polygon. XDeFi is a cross-chain wallet extension that will simply really kind of simplify the process of managing digital assets from a single place with Polygon. We also have NFT Stars. One is integrating with Polygon. So NFT Stars is an ecosystem for digital art that will enhance the NFT marketplace with Polygon. We move on a little bit farther. We see StraightFire NFT is launching on Polygon. With Polygon, the users will experience faster transactions, reduced gas fees, and have a seamless user experience. Moving a little bit farther forward, we see Digital Asset Manager. And this is continuing to see Gnosis Safe, so is coming to Polygon. Full stack scaling set to extend the spectrum of Safe or Gnosis Safe. So we continue to see big potential behind these kind of coins, jumping into integrations and partnerships with Polygon and making their ecosystem, their coin themselves even better. I do want to take a look at the Polygon website, but before we do so, I do want to jump on over to what I would like to call one of the best ways to really take advantage of working smarter but not harder, and it's the future of finance as well. So it's the BlockFi. BlockFi gives you an opportunity to do it the old way, the old way of doing things doesn't really actually cut it anymore. They say with BlockFi, you can use cryptocurrency to earn interest at up to 7.5% APY, and that's the big deal. So you can actually borrow and buy or sell crypto as well, and there are no hidden fees, no minimum balances, and no reason to wait. So BlockFi is, like I said, one of those ways you can put your money in. You can actually earn, interest on that at much higher rates than you can in banks. And, it's just one of those ways, like I said, putting your money to work for you. No reason to have it just sitting around collecting dust. Put it to work, make some extra money on the side. So the BlockFi Rewards credit card is also here, and they're inviting eligible people at the top of the list to apply now. So definitely grab your place in line today. You can use my actual referral link down in the comment section down below or in the description. It'll actually give you up to $250 worth of Bitcoin for free when you sign up. So definitely take advantage of this, guys. I think BlockFi is definitely doing what a lot of people are hoping for, the future of obviously accruing that interest annually. So let's jump into more about Polygon. I do want to jump into the actual Polygon website itself. So built by developers for developers is always one thing we love to hear. So Polygon combines obviously the best of Ethereum and sovereign blockchains into a really kind of full-fledged multi-chain system. It is able to fully benefit from Ethereum's network effects. It is inherently more secure, and it is more open and powerful. They talk about some of the challenges as well as some of the solutions, and then we're going to jump into price predictions and obviously the price chart for Polygon altogether. So the challenge being Ethereum is the blockchain development platform of choice, but it has limitations. So low throughput, poor UX, gas and delayed POW finality. We also have no sovereignty. Many projects are exploring Ethereum compatible blockchains as a way to mitigate these limitations while still leveraging Ethereum's thriving ecosystem. So the solution being one-click deployment of really preset blockchain networks, growing set of modules for developing custom networks, interoperability protocol for exchanging arbitrary messages with really kind of Ethereum and other blockchain networks. They also have the modular and optional security as a service, as well as adapter modules for enabling interoperability for existing blockchain networks. They also talk about the features, very, very solid features here when you go to Polygon, and you can understand that, ETH compatibility, scalability, security, sovereignty, interoperability, user experience, developer experience, and modularity are huge, huge features that really involve Polygon in a way that, not many of their coins are involved. And I want to jump into really this price chart because there's a lot to talk about. We saw Polygon performing so well just, a couple months ago. We actually saw pushing up to $2.68 and then a massive down, decrease to $1.09. So we're actually near that $1.09 now. So not too bad, but we had a nice increase back to 220 and then a solid decrease back down to $1.25. So a lot of volatility, kind of comes with Polygon, it seems like, and it's because there has been so many whales jumping on and off of Polygon, just taking their profits. And I think that's a big thing to note is there are a lot of day traders using Polygon or leveraging Polygon in a way that, a lot of holders are not. And I think, the biggest thing is to mention that, Polygon is going to have a future. It's going to have a long-term future that, in my opinion, 97 cents is still a very, very undervalued price point for Polygon. Obviously, 268 May 17th, 8 p.m. was a little overvalued, but, 97 cents, in my opinion, undervalued. So we're kind of finding that median point, and I think, realistically, that's right between probably $1.70 and $2 right now. And, moving forward, I think we definitely see a lot of these coins undervalued during this, price decrease that we are in, or price dip or price market crash, or whatever you guys would like to call it. We have a 2.52% decrease in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin below 33K, Ethereum almost below 2K. Just crazy decreases across the board. Uniswap down 6%, Polkadot down 4.5%, and so on and so forth. So I do want to talk about really where we could see Polygon end up by the end of the year and by the end of the bull market. So realistically, we think the bull market could continue on, bull market part 2 at least, until, into the, next year of 2022. And I think realistically by the end of the year, we could see Polygon pushing close to about a $4 to $5 price point. And then by the end of the bull market, hopefully about a $7 price point. Conservatively, that's what I'm going to be going with. It's a respective, or really a, realistic and reasonable price point, $7. By the end of the bull market. So we'll continue to keep you guys up to date, obviously, with price predictions. We'd be looking about at a 7x from this current price point, and a lot of people would be very, very happy about a $7 Polygon. So we'll see what happens. We'll move forward with this. We'll continue to give you guys new updates, obviously, as we move forward as well. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure to understand, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing. And make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video. I'll see you guys all in the next one.